start guide. You're given two different type of cables, USB-C and micro USB and type C, and you're also given the how to prepare the aircraft, the battery and all. It comes with remote control and spare propellers, USB-C charging cable, and a screwdriver, and it also comes with the spare screws, and the manual, of course. It is the drone orange color, Dutch orange color, and here is the controller, and you have this cell phone holder. It has this carbon fiber finish. It's the controller. Not sure if it's charged. This is how it looks like in the back. Very ergonomic. We have this picture and record and the function on the map. You can also have this scroll bar. I don't know what it's used for. Here are the cables, I believe. I have two type of cables, and these are the wings, additional wings, and a Phillips screwdriver, a tiny screwdriver, probably to tighten these things. So save this. Let's unfold this. So this is okay. Not sure yet to read the manual, so I'm not gonna play with this. I'm not sure how to handle this thing yet, so hopefully I don't break anything. So this has some spring action in there. Okay, the top one's release first and the bottom one's next. It's very delicate. It's less than 250 grams. It's very delicate on the top, so probably hold it from here. Don't touch on the top. It looks like a insect or a dragonfly. It has a camera in here. Probably another camera here. I don't know if it's another camera or sensor or something. It has some external battery here. This is the actual camera. Okay. Let me read the manual. You have this gimbal holder. The gimbal holder must be removed before powering on the aircraft battery. Please do not throw away the gimbal holder. So make sure you save this thing. It's a very tiny, sensitive drone. This thing with very caution. It's very lightweight. Plastic on the outside is cushiony, so I don't want to touch anything. I don't want to put too much pressure on the body. So power on and off. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on and off the battery. Check the battery level power button for 1 second. Okay, I'm not going to do any of that unless putting this thing to charge. I think this is where the SD card goes in. It does not come with an SD card, or maybe it does. I need to see. You know what? Let me check. Nope, these are the tiny screws. I don't think this thing comes with an SD card, so you need to make sure you fit in the right micro SD there. Maybe it's in the box, I don't know, but as of now I don't see anything. So this is a pretty basic Nano Plus I mean, it's not the where you get everything additional. The battery might be still inside, so I did not. This setup did not get a additional battery. I purchased this for $500, so no additional battery. So I only get one battery. I need to buy everything additional, and it comes with uh, the two pairs of the blades and a screwdriver and the screws, additional screws. I think the additional screws is for these rings, so I need to make sure I don't break them. They're very flimsy. You can see the copper lines in there, and I'm not sure if this thing needs the charging as well. Yeah, there is this type C, so it needs charging as well. There's another slot in here which I don't know, so I need to read the disclaimer and safety operation guidelines, and quick start guide. Other than these two, I don't have any manual, so maybe I need to go online and download a manual. That's all. So let me put this thing to test, and I'll post a next video on the video quality of the Nano Plus. This is Autel Nano Plus again, making sure this is a Nano Plus. Yeah, there you go, Evo Nano Plus. Again, I purchased this for $500. I purchased from a second party vendor. It's not Best Buy. I think it's something like Autel something. I thought it looks like a original site, but it's not. It's a reseller. Autel Pilot is the name of the website, and Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus is the product name. There you go. Thank you, guys.